push kick, I like to throw it so there's no telegraph, no chamber. I'm throwing the kick all at once. I'm going to make it one solid movement, trying not to telegraph. I'm here. Okay. And how I'm gaining my power is my hip. My hip is pushing forward towards the camera, just like the knee. Okay. The knee, my hip is launching forward. Okay. I'm going to go past Bob here. It's here. Okay. That's an exaggeration, but that's the concept. So hands up. Here we are. A lot of times, jabs. Okay. Hands up. One solid motion. Keeping myself nice and safe, okay? I don't want to do this. All right? My opponent can angle off and counter. So here's the different options of hand position. I can keep my hands the exact same. I can cross. Can push off with both. Always have your hands in a protecting position though. This actually has a lot of power. You can really damage your opponent. Okay. Keys to remember. Try to keep it one solid motion. Hands up, okay? And pushing that hip through. Back to my stance. So that's the rear front push kick. This is a fantastic technique. Not only is it great for defense, but it actually has a lot of power once you push your hips through.